Hello, my name is Sally Arafat, and this is my final project, which is a Film Explorer web application. As a storyteller, I wanted to use my own data for my own films, but since I have limited projects, I ended up with TMDB database. This website lists movies from the TMDB database, and it has different features. As you can see, we are able to search any kind of movie based on our preferences. Another feature is that we are able to filter out movies based on the genre. As you see, we can sort by action, adventure, animation, anything based on what uh, we want. Now, our website lets us review each film. We can see its rating, the release date, and the overview. And since it's exciting, we can also watch the trailer of each movie
There's a huge
in the YouTube. Now, our website also has a feature where we can add different movies to our favorite list. In case I want a certain movie, I am able to add it to the favorites page so that in case I close my application, I am able to find it there, or even if the page refreshes. When I go back to the home page and I go to the favorites page, you can see all the movies we have been saving. And the good thing, we are also able to remove any movie in case we don't want it there. So this is my page, this is my final project. And if you look at the VS Code, this is the code that we used. Since this is going to be a short video, I'm going to just demonstrate how each page communicates with other. So this is the index.html page, which is our home page. So our index.html handles all the markup data that you saw on our home page, the cards, the what it communicates with the JavaScript files. But we have many different index.html, as you can clearly see here on our movie folder. We have one, and here in our favorites folder we also have another index page. So this one handles everything that you saw on our movie details page. For each movie, we on the favorites folder, this one handles everything that you saw on the favorites page. We have different JavaScript files, and since we are dealing with classes, we decided to separate each function into its own each functionality into its own class, and we have different files whereby each one of them has its own purpose here. So let's start with moviedata.mjs. Moviedata.mjs is supposed to moviedata.mjs gets data from TMDB and imports it into our web application. As you can clearly see, we were able to import our data from the servers, and with the help of an API key, we were able to import it into our application. So this one handles everything from the assign, try and catching errors, wait, everything. Then we have our movie list.mjs. Movie list.mjs is supposed to build the cards onto our home page. It handles the ID for each page. As you can clearly see, it's able to generate individual cards for each movie. It handles the poster, the title, and the ID. So we have our .mjs, which is very essential, and it's supposed to handle every detail that you saw in our movie details page, so that whenever you load a movie, you are able to see the poster, the title, the overview, and the rating, plus the trailer. So this one handles all the logic. We have the favorites.mjs, and it uses local storage to be able to store movies into the favorites page. So since it uses local storage, even if you close the program, you are able to find all your favorite movies in that page. So we have other files here. We have the main.js, which runs all those other classes. It starts them. It's the main page. We have the utils, which has the code that is shared throughout, and we have package.json. We have the env, where we were able to store our API key. So lastly, we have our CSS file, where we included all our styling, from responsive design to animations. So it handles all the colors, the shadows, the animations, all the hover effects from this file. Thank you so much.